All right, let's get the legal garbage out of the way real fast. None of this is financial advice, okay? Think of it as educational banter. We're talking about a casino, and the house has been rigging the damn game for years. I'm not your advisor. This is all just speculation. Got it? Good. Let's get to it.
Listen up, apes. We've got an intel drop, and it's coming in hot. They are hitting us, and they are hitting us hard. The price is dropping, the news is screaming, get out! And the shills, well, they're everywhere. You feel that pit in your stomach? That's not fear. That's what an ambush feels like. But they've made one fatal error. They think we're just scattered apes. They think we'll scare. They forgot we were born in the dark.
Okay, let's break this down. What you're seeing isn't just the market doing its thing. No, this is a coordinated, psychological operation, a PsyOp. They are coming after your head because they can't break your diamond hands. It's that simple. They need you to feel the fear. They need you to hit that sell button.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. This right here, this is from their playbook, pulled straight from NATO's doctrine on psychological warfare. Their primary objective, weaken the will of the adversary. And in their eyes, that's you. You are the adversary. They are using military-grade tactics to try and force you to surrender your shares.
They weaponize fear, uncertainty, and doubt. FUD. It's not just random noise you see on the internet. No way. It is a calculated, precision-guided disinformation campaign, launched by the Hedges and their little puppets in the media. It is designed to get in your head and manipulate your emotions. Think of it like an artillery barrage, meant to soften you up, make you think you're alone, and that the fight is already lost. It is a lie.
So you gotta ask yourself, why are they this desperate? Why all these cheap tricks? It's because they're bleeding out. They walk themselves right into a trap built from their own infinite greed, and that is their critical weakness.
And this, right here, is our endgame, the short squeeze. See, they bet against our company. They borrowed shares they didn't own and sold them, praying the price would go to zero. But we didn't sell, did we? We bought more, and now they're trapped. They have to buy those shares back. And when there's nothing for sale, the price goes vertical. But oh, it gets so much better. They're also caught in what's called a gamma squeeze. Every time we buy call options, the market makers, the big dogs, they have to buy actual shares to stay neutral. So the more options we buy, the more shares they're forced to buy, which pushes the price up even more. It's a feedback loop from hell. It is a double-barreled shotgun pointed right at their teeth.
Look at this slide. This is the entire war in a nutshell. For them, the hedgy short seller, their risk is unlimited, infinite. There is no ceiling. They can lose more than everything they have. For us, our risk is only what we decided to put in. They're fighting for their very survival. We are fighting for our future.
And don't you dare let them tell you this is a fantasy. It's happened before. Back in 2008, the shorts got caught with their pants down on Volkswagen. The trap snapped shut, the stock exploded over 400%. In 2 days, VW became the most valuable company on earth for a hot minute. And the hedgies who were short, wiped out, gone, history. Doesn't always repeat, but man, it rhymes.
So how do they keep this whole rigged game going? How do they survive day to day when they're this deep in the red? Well, let's pull back the curtain. Let's expose the corruption they never, ever wanted you to see. This is their playbook.
It's all right here. And this isn't some conspiracy theory. This stuff is pulled from SEC enforcement actions, from academic studies. They're doing insider trading. They're running cherry-picking scams. They are literally just faking their profits. They pay analysts to put out garbage research. And we already know they run massive disinformation campaigns. This is not a free market. It is their private club.
And let's be crystal clear about something. When you see some so-called expert on TV telling you to sell, he is not your friend. This quote right here confirms it. It's a fancy way of saying that analysts are biased and their recommendations are often spectacularly wrong, probably by design. Their job isn't to help you. It's to help their hedge fund buddies get out of a bad trade.
And the scale of the fraud is it's breathtaking. Just one case, one trader at a company called Kidder Peabody faked $350 million in profits. The whole company eventually collapsed because of it. This isn't one bad apple, people. The entire orchard is rotten to the core. They will lie, cheat, and steal to win.
Okay, we've seen their dirty tricks. We've decoded their fatal weakness. We've exposed their corruption. So now what? It's time to consolidate. It's time for the battle plan. And you know what? It is brutally simple.
So I want you to ask yourself this. Knowing they are liars, knowing they are trapped with literally infinite risk, and knowing they are attacking your mind because they can't beat you any other way. What is our play?
It's 2 simple steps. 1, you ignore the FUD. Turn off the TV, log off their propaganda websites. It is poison, designed to make you weak. And 2, you HODL. That's it. Every single share we hold is another bar on their prison cell. Their whole plan hinges on us getting scared and selling. Our patience, our ability to just wait, it starves them of the oxygen they need to breathe. We don't have to out-scheme them. We just have to outlast them.
This is the way. Trust the process, trust the intel, and trust each other. I will see you on the moon. We are watching this chart like a hawk. While you wait for the next candle, grab your free gear. Sign up for Public to get $20 in free assets, check Webull for that BTC promo, or grab your NVDA stock on Moomoo. Links are in the description. Smash the like, subscribe to the tribe. Apes, together, strong.